Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to show you how I use Link Whisper, a fabulous tool to help you internally link so much quicker. I just published this on my other blog, Small Biz Tipster, Setting Financial Goals. As you can see, the dates there. So you go into the actual dashboard under Link Whisper, and you can see Orphan Posts. I have a couple now, but this is the one I wanted to show you how to go and add. And within minutes, or sometimes seconds, it'll give you suggestions of what can link to your new posts so that you have internal links going to them. And so they give you some suggestions. You can see Improve Financial Plan. I like that one, so I'm going to check it off. 5 tips and financial success. That makes sense. Financial standing. Yeah, that makes sense for what it was. And so you can go through. Now, this one doesn't really make as much sense, so I'm going to skip it. Making enough money? Not really. Nope. So you kind of go through and see what makes sense and what not makes sense for the particular ones. This one's given us a lot of suggestions. Not all of them will give you this many. But you can go through and pick and choose. And all you have to do is hit add links. And you'll see how quickly it's actually working. You can see the little button there. And success. And then you go back, return to report. And I found this other one. I'm going to add some to this particular post. Let's see. This is constructing small business offices. As again, you can see the blue lines are going. And space for office ideas, that's a good one. Nope, that does not work. Security, support, nope. Staying ahead. Nope. So again, you get to kind of pick and choose. That one looks like a good one. So again, you go through and you pick and choose which ones that you think are relevant, but it just makes it so much easier than having to go searching throughout everywhere on your site to find out exactly what it is that you want to link to. So I'm just going through rather quick just so you can see how again it works. And once you hit the add links, you see it going. And that is it. So that is called Link Whisper. If you go to the plugins, and you'll see it right in here where we have Link Whisper, and you have the settings in there. And that's pretty much how it works. So you can do posts and pages. You could also pick out categories if you wanted to. Number of sentences. You can set up your amount links per post as well. And then just all you have to do is hit save settings. So if you want to use Link Whisper, it's code INSPIRE to save you $15 off the price of Link Whisper plugin for WordPress. I hope this has helped you see how easy it makes internal linking, which really helps the SEO of your blog content by having everything linked together. Thank you, and please share.